here. Yep, well, let's take a little break. Just quick reminder everyone, any product you see Nancy use, you can find them on glitzaccessories.com. And you're going to be at the show this weekend. Be sure to visit our booth at 1123.
And we're moving on. Oh, you are very welcome, Jessie. I'm so glad you are tuning in. So apply the condensed glue gel first, and then floating the no wipe top coat. Bestie Vicky, are you finishing your nails right now? Vicky is gonna have really gorgeous nails. I saw Dom nails as well. What was you seeing it? My nails now, Sammy and Robin nails, and then we can't wait to see Mika nails. She's always get the bombs nails as well. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the super cute. I want this design to be really like spring. Let me get the frame, one of the heart frame. You know, any of the kits, if you're seeing it from the kits, crystal kits, you will never go wrong with this. This is also one of my favorite kits that I love it so much because it not only have all the shape and it's perfect. It's not crazy big. It's not too small. Perfect for short nails or long nails. This is the Ultimate Crystal Kit AB, and it has all the frames and charm and beads. And I'm going getting one of the hearts right here. I'm going to put it in the top of the bows. So right here, I'm going to place it right on the both of the bows. You can do a longer ribbon, shorter ribbon, however you want. I'm loving it. Just like so cute. And here, I know we should. We are going to doing a giveaways really cool and soon. You might seeing it really soon. Our team's working hard to get it on. And then we are going to add some of this opal from the Ultimate Crystal Kits #1. I love it. I'm going to show you shortly. That's it. And if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds. And then also you can add more. Let me see if I can add some ones. All right, so make sure that it's not like it centers in the nails, unless you want to do it's like have a diagnose. So want to do it, get in the lamp and cure really fast cure. Like we are going to full cure completely all nails, all 5 nails when you're done with the designs completely. But between the designs, I would like to flash cure it so then that way not accidentally touching on the design when I'm moving on to the next nails. So let cure this for flash cure for 30 seconds first.